So we're under a heavy rainfall warning today. As you can see, we've got some water. This is one end of the culvert. Got a little swirly thing going on. Lots of water. That's a deep ditch. That would probably be up to my shoulders if I jumped in. So I'm not gonna try. It would be cold too. Water everywhere. Sump pump has gone off 3 times in the night. Walk across the road, look both ways first, maybe. Good old country road. We got bubbles on this side. Must be the other end of the culvert. Not much snow in the fields. It's probably 40, 50 degrees right now. It's really warm. I know, Steve, you'd still have a winter jacket on, but water going down the road. The next season has started, not spring. Bottle collecting season. Has started. People walk the roads, pick up bottles. Lots of water running down through here. Then if I go to my driveway, look both ways again. I got a culvert here somewhere. It's probably frozen solid still. Here's one side of my driveway. Got a pond started. And here's the other part of my driveway. The ditch is full. Usually that means there's water in the basement, but not too bad. Happy St. Patty's Day, everybody. Oh, and now that the snow's gone, I get to find junk in the ditches. Yeah. I don't know if I can get up here before the video ends or not, but there's my shred pile.